Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a soft yet elegant makeup look, perfect for celebrating with families while feeling your absolute best. Let's get started. I'm starting with a moisturizer. I'm using moisturizer from Cetaphil to make sure my skin is well prepped and hydrated. Next, I'm using a smoothing primer. It helps blur out pores and keep the makeup in place. To even out my skin tone, I'm using a color corrector under my mouth area. Then, foundation for a flawless finish, followed by a soft rosy blush for freshness and a little bronzer on the nose for gentle definition. Bronzer is from Forever 52 and of course a touch of highlighter to bring that festive glow. I have not shown the base makeup process as my main focus was on the eye makeup. Let's get into the eye makeup. The eyes, I am starting with a soft brown shade in the upper crease area. It creates a warm transition and a soft dip. Then I'm adding a deeper brown shade on the eyelid to make the eye pop. I have used a setting spray and using an angled brush and dipping it into it, and now using it in the same dark brown eyeshadow and use it as eyeliner. Lower lash line, I'm blending the same soft brown shade so that the whole eye makeup tied together. Finish a smooth kajal on the waterline for that traditional festive touch and a couple of coat of mascara for the fuller fluttery lashes. And that's the complete look. Glowing skin, soft brown eyes and a touch of traditional charm. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more such looks and share this with someone who might need up inspiration.